Hi guys, guess where we're at? We're in Hollywood, yay! We're here to check out the Christmas decorations and just see how the park is. It's been a while since we've been in the park. It's been a long time. So we're gonna go and have a good time. Hey boo, what ride do you want to get on?
Ooh, got wet.
I did too. The wind blew that rain.
Dadgummit, I forgot my sunglasses.
We'll get them.
Nah, I guess not. Maybe if you could.
You won't need it. It's cloudy today. I don't think you're gonna see much sun.
Until the sun comes out.
Yeah.
You also said that it wasn't going to rain, and then we were getting drips as we were driving.
Hey, I'm just going by my weather app, and it said no participant rain, no participation, no precipitation for 10 days.
Yeah, well, that's also because you use that Apple phone.
Oh, look, my hair blowing all over.
I know mine. I just put mine up, today.
Yeah, your hair always looks good. What can I say? Mine's always
You like my ponytail?
Yeah, got a nice ponytail. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, nice and silky. You're weird. I'm weird.
I'm in Tinseltown.
We're all weird. They have the garland up around here for Tinseltown. I heard somebody else call that. Say it was a lot of tinsel for Tinseltown. And that's what Hollywood's supposed to be, Tinseltown.
Yeah.
So that is appropriate decorations here for sure. Well, as you can tell, they've got a small little Christmas tree there, which if you look at this tree right here, this little tree, look up there, look at that. Don't they look like eyeballs? Like it's a lot, the tree's alive with those bells. I think that's what it looks like. But here's all the decorations here, the dark room. Look at that, old Santa. Let me go see what else I can see. Okay. Oh, look at the candy canes. Those are cute. I love how they have that all decorated up pretty. Those are some old decorations. Those Santas up there on the wreath. That's old. You don't see them anymore. And then you look there and you see Boo. Alright, so now we're going to go check in the dark room. And they do have garland around here. Oh, and then we've got morning. And we got some happy cast members. Well, look at there. You fit the picture.
I don't, the pressure gets me. I can't wear it too long.
I can't either. I have my bag that has them and it's like...
I really have tried. After about an hour, I said, that's enough.
Oh, you lasted an hour? You're good.
The brain flow is going.
Have a good day.
Yeah.
Oh, well, you can wear the yoga.
Oh, that I could wear. Yeah, I've worn hats before.
Yeah.
In fact, one year they let us wear a hat that lit up around the rim. And they said, if you wear it all season, you get to keep it. So I kept it. I showed up at the airport to greet my folks when they're like, we don't know. Lighting up all the way around, you know?
Yeah.
One of those movies from like Christmas Vacation.
Yeah.
Griswold.
Look at that cookie jar. I like this cookie jar, Boo. Can you tell me how much it is? Let me move forward. I don't dare try to pick anything up myself.
I can't get in there. They know they're not looking for cookies.
$54.99, or they know you're looking for cookies.
$54.99.
Okay.
And then they got a little loaf pan here and a casserole dish up there. The loaf pans are $30. And this big tray is $30. It's metal. It's nice. That's so you can serve your hot cocoa.
That matches our plates that we have.
Yeah. And then look at there. We got cookie cutters. Okay, and then we've got all kinds of... Oh, look at the tree toppers. Okay. Stocking holders. A ring holder. You can take your ring and hang it from his nose. Or you can have it on his head. But I kind of like the nose. That's cute. Okay, the music's pretty loud in here, so I'm hoping you can hear. But look at the new Starbucks mugs for the holiday. No, not even for the holidays, is it? No. But it's cute. And you got a little one there to put on your tree. I thought this was like a canvas bag, but it's actually got, it's easy to clean material. It's like a pleather, I guess you could call it. How much is this? $45. I like that. Alright, this is Boo's favorite spot to sit when we come in. And look at all the garland around there and the poinsettias in there. Those are pretty.
Thank you. Just Eric. Don't know. Have any of you seen my sister? I'm so glad you're here. Oh, the royal historians have been telling our story. Thank you. That was a very good story you told. And a surprise for you. For all of you. You do?
No!
Golly, season's greetings, everyone! That's me! I like warm hugs, especially during the holidays.
No matter where we are, you're there with me. So bright, underneath the bells to ring. May all of your holiday dreams come true.
Well, we left Hollywood Studios. It was pretty busy, and today's Sunday, and there's a Browns game on for Boo, so we decided to leave a little early, and we decided to come and stop by IHOP. And why did we come by IHOP? For this. You see that?
All right, you ready?
Yes.
All right, sorry, young lady.
It's okay. I'm going to go with the the lemon ricotta mixed berry.
Mixed berry, yes, ma'am.
I'm going to go with the ham and egg combo.
How you like your eggs cooked?
Over medium.
Over medium, lovely.
And can I get the hash browns crispy?
I will do that for you, ma'am.
I'm going with the new ginger snap apple.
The apple, yes, sir.
And then I'm going with what is it? That's it, ultimate bacon and sausage. Yes.
Ultimate, how you like your eggs cooked, please?
We go scrambled.
Thank you, sir.
And then also extra crispy on the hash browns too.
I will do that for you.
Thank you.
In a few minutes.
Thank you. So, of course, you just heard what we ordered. We gotta try some of this new holiday stuff. That ginger snap milkshake looks like it might be really good too.
Did you notice that on the menu?
Here.
Oh, it's right there. Okay. Yeah.
Let me show you.
Yeah, but that hot chocolate looks like it'll be good. Can they see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That looks really good.
It might be good too, guys. You might want to taste it.
So you might want to come by IHOP and try their holiday food and their holiday specials. Never had currants before, and this has red currants in it, so interested to try that. You gotta get out of your comfort zone and try something different. It gets that serious. So let's eat. Alright. Sorry, I forgot to turn you guys on. But I got the lemon ricotta mixed berry. I'll put it all together.
Orange juice, 2 waters.
Whatever that red currant, whatever it is, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
That sounds good.
Oh, George.
Extra ice for you?
I'm getting ready to try it.
Yes,
With
sir.
the ginger snap cookies on it.
Well, I cut these. You can cut more up if you need to.
red currant, and ginger snap. Oops, there goes the red currant.
Like that too?
Yeah, that was good.
Which one you like better?
I don't know. You gonna try mine? You want me to cut it?
Yeah, you can definitely taste the cinnamon.
Ginger.
Yeah.
Make sure you get you some of that.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh my goodness.
Which one you like better?
As soon as you put that in your mouth, you taste that berry. Hey, Yammi, look, there's somebody running over there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. That's good. It's almost like they don't put enough of the cheese stuff on there.
Yeah. Yeah, they're both very good.
Yeah.
Very, very